Elderberry Immune Boost. Elderberries have been used for hundreds of years for their purported health benefits. They contain powerful antioxidants that are thought to boost the immune system. In traditional medicine, they are one of the first lines of defense against aggressive viruses. In fact, many users have claimed the berries have eliminated the most dangerous and potent viruses from their bodies. However, there are a lot of differing opinions on the true effects of elderberries on human health. In this video, we will look at the latest scientific evidence on elderberries and also tell you exactly how to take them for the maximum effect on your immune system. Also, be sure to watch to the end, where we explain the one way you should never consume it, as you will end up poisoning yourself. What are elderberries? Elderberries are the fruit of the sambucus tree. These trees feature clusters of white or cream elderflowers and bunches of blue or black elderberries. Native Americans and traditional herbalists have used elderberries for centuries for their reported health benefits. The biggest benefit they claim is boosting the immune system and helping the body fight off colds, flu, as well as severe respiratory infections. What is the scientific evidence that elderberries are effective? There are not many medical studies on the benefits to human health of elderberries. However, the ones that have been conducted have shown promising results. Let's list some of the most important ones. A 2004 study in the Journal of International Medical Research looked at the berry's effectiveness in curing people with severe flu-like illnesses. 60 people with strong flu-like symptoms took 15 milliliters of elderberry syrup 4 times a day. The trial found that their symptoms improved dramatically compared to people who took a placebo. This would indicate that elderberries do in fact possess antiviral properties that are able to boost the immune system and fight off infection. In 2016, a medical trial asked 32 people with flu symptoms to take lozenges that had 175 milligrams of elderberry extract 4 times a day. After only 24 hours, the participants reported noticeable improvements in symptoms such as fever, headache, muscle aches, and respiratory distress. Also in 2016, the journal Nutrients looked at whether elderberries could prevent people from catching colds and infections in the first place. It conducted a double-blind, randomized controlled trial, which is the gold standard when it comes to proving whether a treatment is really effective or not. The trial asked people to take elderberry extract for 10 days before traveling on airplanes, which are notorious breeding grounds and incubators for viruses and bacteria. The researchers found a dramatic reduction in illness and infection among those who took the elderberry extract compared to those who did not. Finally, a systematic review of elderberry research was carried out last year. This type of review compiles all the available research on a particular topic, including published and unpublished studies, to form an unbiased and definitive view of the subject. This review concluded that elderberries have a strong indication of antioxidant and antiviral effects that could be a powerful non-medical intervention for treating and preventing virus infections. Why are elderberries proving so effective in treating infections? Elderberries contain a number of vitamins and nutrients that are specifically geared towards fighting infection. For those of you who like to know the numbers, 1 cup of elderberries contains 870 milligrams of vitamin A, 406 milligrams of potassium, 52.2 milligrams of vitamin C, 9 milligrams of folate, 55 milligrams of calcium, and 2.3 milligrams of iron. This combination of nutrients is particularly effective in upregulating the immune system and giving your body the firepower it needs to defend itself from infections. The European elderberry, known as Sambucus nigra, is the species that is most often used in herbal supplements. This species is particularly rich in a type of antioxidant known as anthocyanins. These antioxidants work by clearing the body of free radicals that can damage cells at the DNA level. They also have antiviral properties, that can prevent or reduce the severity of infections. Elderberries also contain a form of protein known as hemagglutinin. This protein has been shown in studies to stop viruses replicating by inhibiting their ability to penetrate cell walls, thereby preventing the virus from causing infection. If elderberries are taken after an infection takes hold, they can help stop the virus from spreading, which reduces the duration and severity of any illness. What is the best way to take elderberries? We recommend taking elderberry extract in the form of syrup. This is an easily available option that is safe, convenient, and is readily absorbed by the body. When you are in the grip of a flu or infection, the recommended therapeutic dose is 1 tablespoon 4 times a day. If you are healthy and taking the syrup as a form of prevention, then 1 tablespoon 2 times a day is effective to help fight off illness. Elderberry extract is also widely available in the form of gummies and lozenges. However, the potential problem with these options is that you cannot be sure of the amount of sugar or additives that these products contain. Both of these added ingredients are not good for your health and can cause their own health issues. The berries themselves are very tart in taste, so companies add a lot of sugar to make their products more palatable. Your best bet is to buy an organic, high-quality syrup from a reputable manufacturer. Beware that certain syrups can also contain added sugar, but it is usually a much lower amount than you would find in either gummies or lozenges. However, if you suffer from diabetes or existing high blood sugar, it is doubly important that you opt for a 100% organic syrup. The one way not to consume elderberries. While ingesting elderberry syrup is completely safe, do not go picking the berries and simply popping them into your mouth. This may seem like an easy and free option if you have access to elderberry trees, but you could run into big trouble. The unripe fruit and other parts of the plant can cause cyanide poisoning, which comes with seriously harmful effects such as nausea or vomiting. While you can find a number of elderberry recipes online, if you don't know what you're doing, it's best to stick to store products. Is there anything I can do to make the treatment more effective? Studies have shown that a combination of vitamin C and zinc makes a powerful supplementary treatment when attempting to combat infection. For example, a rigorous study in the Journal of International Medical Research found that 2 nutrients combined were significantly more effective than a placebo at reducing infection over 5 days of treatment. It also found that symptom relief was quicker and that the nutrients were better tolerated than over-the-counter pharmaceutical treatments. The combination was found to be particularly effective against infectious viral diseases that target the respiratory system. So adding these 2 nutrients alongside elderberry syrup makes for a powerful combined method to boost your overall treatment. The recommended dosages for a therapeutic effect are 600 milligrams of vitamin C and 14 milligrams of zinc. You can find capsule supplements that contain both vitamin C and zinc together to avoid having to buy 2 products. What's the bottom line? People have used elderberries for their health-boosting properties for centuries, most notably to fight colds and infection. While there have been few studies conducted on their effectiveness in humans, the ones that have been published show encouraging results. The findings indicate elderberries could be a safe alternative to antibiotics for upper respiratory symptoms due to viral infections, and a potential alternative to prescription drugs for routine cases of cold and flu. Elderberries seem to be most effective when used before and throughout an infection, and a higher concentration may be required in the middle stages of an infection to achieve antiviral activity. However, do not eat raw elderberries, as they can cause a range of complications. The best option is to take it in syrup form. Taking vitamin C and zinc supplements alongside elderberries can help to boost your immune system further. While elderberries have been shown to be very safe when consumed in syrup form with no serious side effects, if you have any concerns, please consult your doctor for advice. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.